just once in my life till now, which will be when I have installed Snapchat, and that's the last time I did install Snapchat and did dog filter on my face. However, it was cute, but didn't have done it anymore. Third is ombre hair. So talking about ombre hair, I don't have any color right now. It is all jet black because I'm an Indian, a typical Indian. So maybe I will color it later. Now I have just got 1 point. Then it says eat, sleep, and repeat. So I got 2 points now because that's the only thing I do in my life. I think some of us are really poor, and by some of us means me. So if I don't have 5 items from it, I am not a Asian baby girl like. And this is my nail from back to school. I only got 2 points. What's yours? Whatever. Let's start the makeup right now. So as I have gone through many pictures, many videos of Asian baby girl, I have thought that the look is kind of a really soft glam look with a more kind of sleek hairs. So let's. I don't like my brows chapped or really thin. I really like my brows to be fluffy and a little bit softer, but like in the middle point of soft and strong. But I like it really fluffy, so I am going for that look. Whatever your brow preference are, you can go. Just going to do my other brow and come back. Here are we after filling our both brows, and there's a little bit problem over here, but we are going to clean it anyways. So I'm using my Mars highlight and contour palette. I'm using the same shade as my skin tone and going to I am going to line it. Whatever, just see. So I'm going to use same shade as my face, going to clean the edges, going to clean the edges. Or how it is going to be a stronger brow. I think their brows goes to gym or something, while I have to make my brows look good every day by cheering it up. I'm going once more with the concealer on my lids. So after applying it, I'm going to use my finger and going to blend it all over my eyelids. Now for eyeshadow, I am going to use obviously my everyday eyeshadow palette, Gorgeous Beauty palette by Bebo Beauty. So I'm going to use these two shadows here. First I will use this as my crease color, and then I will do a V line with this color. So let's see how great we can do it. I'm just lightly doing my crease only. So you guys can see it's a really light hint of color. We don't need to do much more than this. And also with the same shade, I'm going to line a little bit under my eyes. I'm going to use my Maybelline Colossal Liner and going to line my eyes really long and black. It's just a eyeliner. I'm going to use a angular brush with a brown shadow and going to line my lower lips. Then I'm going to use my favorite mascara, which the Falsies Last Lift Mascara. And a tip for you guys that don't do this on your mascara wand, because it just pumps up the air more in this and makes it more drier. So don't do that. Just open or close it in swirl motions like this, so it will save your mascara for a long time. And I'm just going to do my lower lashes. Then I am going to curl my upper eyelashes. Like a ghost right now. So for contour, I'm using my Wet n Wild palette and going to use the cool tone. My Swiss Beauty highlighter palette and going to use this silver shade. This is one of my favorite highlighters. which is out almost. And first I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Going to do a little dot onto our nose as well, because I love to do that over our bridge. And the last but not the least is my lipstick. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade is Gone. Keep it in the description if you want to buy this. And going to apply this. So this was my ABG makeup look, and I have also drawn a flower with my eyeliner, which looks really stupid, but yeah, whatever. So I found this look really great and really beautiful. I found this makeup to be really powerful and in its own self, because it can speak up really loud that someone is just going to get whatever she needs. So I really love this makeup. I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you guys also liked this video. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and just comment to support me and to make me feel worth it. So thank you so much for watching, and obviously if you like this, please do subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.